Hey there, so let's put all these things together. Well, I tell you guys some things that happen in the market. Now, I bought all these things from 1688 in Nigeria, and everything cost 90,000 naira. Yeah, so let's unbox together. First thing, when I was going to the market, I entered all this Kurupe bus. So I bought sweets. There was one woman, that woman sat beside me, and the woman said, I bought sweets. So the woman said I should give her sweets. At first, I was so scared that if give you sweets, I need to beg girl. You know, when the woman said I should give her, can I give her 2 sweets? I looked at her. I'm like, if this woman leave this sweet. And, you know, she didn't. Anyway, I gave her. So she said thank you. And I'm like, is this woman not even scared? Because, you know, all these things that they're just saying online, stuff like that. But I gave her. So when I was now the woman saw that she's selling the woman is selling lunch bag. The woman is selling lunch bag. So I bought 2 lunch bag from her. I think she and her husband runs the business. I normally back my baby because I don't want this stop you get. So the woman has said, madam, you take it back this your picking. I'm like, yes, so say, I see the back, I don't want the boy they disturb me, stuff like that. And the woman is heavily pregnant. So I think the woman said, how old is my son? I said, it's just a year, 7 months. So Ina said that she come back at home that because of her chest. And I'm like, I asked her that, is this girl your baby? The woman said yes, that she's my baby. But like at first I'm like, how come? I wanna take the drum. As in, her daughter is not even up to 2 years and she is pregnant. Now my own concern is how are they even doing it? You know, when you have a baby and you're still pregnant. Anyway, it's their choice, but the stress and everything is just too much. Wallahi. Because you see, this my son. If he started, he's giving energy of 3 years old. And he's always behaving as if it's triplets. You know, when triplets is disturbing at the same time, that is how it is. So, and again, you see all these things, I want to buy them from 1688 before through Womanta. So I asked my friend. So my friend explained how Womanta works, and she told me that she bought something that is not even up to, I think, 15,000 naira, and she used close to 20,000 naira for shipping, air shipping. You know, that got me thinking because I'm like, So when she explained to me how it works and all of that, I told my husband that I really want to buy things from 1680, that it's gonna ship, the price is gonna fair than the 1 year. And I told him that the cost and all of that. So I didn't really know we have used like sea shipping, but so I'm like, if my friend could use close to 20,000 naira to ship things that is not even up to 1 kg. How much am I gonna pay? Like, how much am I gonna pay to ship all these things? It's gonna be maybe like 100,000 naira. So that is why I'm like, okay, let me just go to the market and get the things in. I'm like, okay, let me just go to the market at least. So yeah, and let's go buy this kit. Again, I want to have something. Seriously, I saw one launch, you know, multiple food flags that you can put food, fruit, and all of that. So where I bought this thing, these flags. So when I saw, like, all I just want is, you know, this trending food flags and all of that. That is what I want to go. So then I said, if I'm looking for something that is hot, that is not advisable for me to buy the food flask, I'm gonna put it around there so you can see what I'm talking about. That it doesn't hurt at all. I mean, like, it doesn't hurt my baby. If food is not hot, it's definitely not gonna be eating it. I don't know why. So that is why. Okay. But I'm still gonna buy it though. Because I love it. But maybe next time when I have money. Right. So I love this school bag. It's so portable and cute. This school bag is, I think, 9,000 naira. This kinky school bag. And this one is 6,000, no, 5,000 naira. This one 5,000 naira. That's all. Okay. We have socks. Yes, we have socks. First socks. And shoes. Yeah, in fact, I can't just wait for this boy to start going to school, because, man, oh my lord, the stress and everything. At least when he goes to school, I'll have time for. So by September, we're going to school. Today is September 1st, actually. But yeah. Anyways. And I been that I went to market earlier. All these things is not that gonna be expensive, because when it's towards resumption, things is always expensive. It's always expensive. So I think that is why. So, and again, please let me know if you're using this food flags, this divided divided plate. Oh my lord, is it divided plate? Divided food flag. Does it hurt or not? I'll be glad to know. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.